All right. Just got the camp. Hey, what did I just hear up there?
Nothing.
Go ahead, Lily. Who's up there? Go ahead, Lils. Say hi. Come up to the window. I can't see you. There we go.
Hey, wait.
I opened up the side hatch, babe.
Hey.
There we go.
Hi, Pastor.
All right, now, here's the awning I had installed. Right now it's at the 5-foot setting. It goes out another 2 feet. Side hatch with the fridge right here.
This isn't gonna fit.
No, we don't have too much room. We didn't bring a cooler this trip. And then, Michael, are you on that side?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Say hi.
Hi.
All right, let's go inside. We got a little campsite right here. This whole area to ourselves. Take you inside in a minute, but first, show you the creek. A slow-moving creek. But we'll have some fun here tonight. There's the campsite.
I have a question. Is this like a style or a spurt? It's on here too.
We'll figure it out later. It's not burned.
Another spot.
Go back up there. Oh, so Michael found one spot. Go back up there so we can see how big it is.
And Mom,
Move over, Lils.
I also have a question.
I'm still recording, Lily. This is going to be one sleeping area. We actually have an extension, so it comes all the way out. This could move somewhere else later.
Yeah.
Storage underneath the couch slash. It's like a bench couch thing.
Uh-huh.
And I got. Well, that's fine. Little tabletop right here with all my storage. And then.
The kids!
All right.
Yeah,
Lean back, guys.
Okay.
Sit up normal so you can see how tall it is. It's actually, this is not how we're gonna have the mattress set up, but it is gonna have, for now, a nice little lounge area up here. So what happens is, I'll show you later, but this slides out along this track right here, all the way to about right here, and creates a king size bed, just about, a little bit narrower than a king size
Because
bed.
we love kings.
Hey, babe.
Fan? Is the fan on?
Fan's not on. We don't have it hooked up to the battery yet. Got a screen window here. Come inside, babe, so we can see how big it is.
Yeah.
Come on in, babe.
Look at those overlanders.
Let's go.
Lots of windows in here. Tons of ventilation. These are all screened. And you could close them too. They have a clear panel, so you could close it and still see out, and then a sealed panel. Oh, Michelle just got in. Yeah, so we have a ton of room in here.
What are you doing?
If I should like
Just
make
checking it
little,
out.
little things to curl,
Maybe.
maybe a little clip or something.
And this right here, look at it. I'm reaching all the way up.
And
7 feet tall. Look at the headroom that Michelle has.
Toyota videos.
No, I'm just gonna send it to Grandpa and everyone.
7.
Bye.
Anyways, that's that for now.
Bye, Grandpa.
Maybe I'll put on the Toyota videos.
Maybe shorten it a
The
little.
fridge is gonna move later.
Bye, people.
For now, we just have it here, so easy access from the outside. But yep, that's it.
I like this here to help us get into the bed.
Bye, Dad. Bye, Grandpa.
All right.
Bye, Uncle. Bye.
We're gonna send it to Nana too,
Bye, Nana.
and probably Grandma too.
Bye, Grandma.
Some of the electrical wiring right there.
But
Oh, there's a fan too.
You
Gotta
took the
show you
fan
the
up
fan.
to that.
fan right there.
Yep.
Right there. Right.
Open it up for ventilation.
Bye, Grandpa. Bye. Stop.
There we go. Right now we can't run the fan because it's not wired up yet, but we could get tons of ventilation right there. And that's the camper.
Whoa, it feels pretty level, honey.
Yeah, it's good now, huh? Hey, say hi, guys. One more time, say bye. Michael's sleeping. I was just gonna hang it up there. All right, sweet. See you guys.